We're on the way to High Plains Raceway to meet my dad and the newly tuned Exocet to see how much faster it actually is after all the upgrades.
Yeah. Your best time last year was 2:13.
Yeah.
And you were on a really great lap. And then there was the yellow flag for somebody's air filter dropped off.
Yeah, there's something in the road there.
So the yellow flagged it, and you still had to slow down for like, I don't know,
a second, 2 seconds.
No, definitely longer.
Yeah.
But that was still a 2:15. So you would have beat the 2:13 on that lap.
Yeah.
It just didn't get to it. So hopefully next session beat the record. Oh, it turns out that was our air filter.
Oh.
Oops. It turns out it's always the bolt you don't check that comes loose and messes it up. That happens to me all the time. By sheer luck, I completely forgot I had taken my dirty air filter off for the drag strip, so we have an extra. We can get back out there.
Yay!
Last time we were out, I was driving and we cracked the fuel cell and spilled gas everywhere, end of the day, and now I just saw a gas drip. So hopefully it's not the same thing.
See, that's all wet right there. I'm not feeling anything here. These fittings. Yeah, she's dripping. I see it. See it?
Yeah. To knowingly go out with a gas leak is a little sketchy. If the thing bursts into flames,
and $20,000 goes down the drain. $130 seems pretty cheap.
we completely redesigned the mounting system for the fuel cell so it wouldn't crack, and same exact thing, one session in and it's cracked. That's race cars. It's always something. It's designed to keep the stock Miata tank. We thought fuel cell would be safer, yet here we are, 2 times it's cracked.